Hello YouTube, it's Dr. Pete, chiropractor, and we're gonna start displaying some of the treatment videos. Hopefully y'all enjoy.
Causing a little bit of underneath this shoulder blade,
Okay.
and just in there, but it's
Mainly the neck.
yeah, I don't
Face
a little bit stressful last week, but
Sure.
just slept wrong once,
Okay.
and it's just been kind of. And then we went canoeing this weekend. Like,
Did you?
so
Awesome.
I plowed it out. No,
Did you?
I kind of was sucking.
Face up, face up.
Face up. Let's do it. And so it's still sucking. Yeah, we went to the Goliad Trail,
Beautiful.
and yeah, it was cool. Kiddos loved it. A little camping.
Yeah, I feel it all throughout here.
I felt like I could feel it yesterday, and I was like, that ain't good.
Plus, there's a normal C-shaped lordata curve this way, and yours is really flat. And it's maybe slightly reversal with the apex right in the middle of your neck. Emery's over there filming for the YouTube channel, is that okay? Let's loosen it up here. See how well it plays this way. Right, and then let's adjust that.
Good.
This side. The base. Good. Curve. I'm gonna traction out in your neck. Stick slide this little towel underneath. Basically, I'm gonna make a scarf out of you, okay?
Okay.
And how you close your mouth, but make sure you're not biting on your teeth. Do a traction pull here. Okay. Feel that?
Yeah, it didn't pop, but I definitely felt
As long as the traction's out.
Yeah.
Next, cross your arms over your chest for me. Do one underneath the other.
Yeah, it's usually where you find it.
Deep breath. Blow it out. Again. And out.
Oh, yeah, that's usually where it's at right there.
Alright. Come on
Then
up.
usually I can walk.
Put you on the rollers over. Come back up. Come back up. Repeat. There. Do some fascia release here. So, besides the vertebral, we're concentrating on your soft tissue. Come back to the start point. Get it down. Back to the start point. And then I'm going to have you look side to side, right to the left, right and left. Good.
Right.
All the way.
Not as far as I go that way.
Let's repeat a few times for me to each side. Breathe. Other side. Right. And left. Okay, just relax everything. Okay, this next time, we'll go to the right. And then from there, at the end position where you're comfortable, then we'll go down from here. Okay? Okay. Right? Relax the shoulders. Good. Now, same thing to the left. There, and then down. Good. And then repeat a few times each side for me. Sounds like this canoe trip was a doozy. Left.
Was fun.
Yeah, good.
It was a little.
You said the family all went, or what?
Oh, the
Yes, sir. We did the double kayaks.
Beautiful.
We had-
Tandem.
Boys had that.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah,
yeah.
it was good. I think we enjoyed it more than they did. They were
Yeah,
kind of bored after
that's
30
it.
minutes, but
Did you guys each grab a kid?
yeah.
Yes, we did the double.
I'm guessing y'all did all the work.
Oh yeah. We let them have the paddle a few times.
That was,
Yeah.
so that was fun not being able to turn my head around. We got it done.
We were with a bunch of other friends. So it was entertaining.
And what river was this?
San Antonio,
Okay.
over in Goliad.
Yeah.
It's
It's pretty.
No fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We catch any
He
fish.
tried. I didn't try.
Could you see them though?
No,
No,
not
I
really. I
didn't
mean, a couple little. I think they have some luck with some catfish on there.
Mhm.
Some probably some other good bass or something.
Gotcha. Alright, now I have you make a soft fist. You reach back and you slowly punch across your body like so.
Which way?
Breathe.
Cross.
Slower. Yeah. Slower.
Why would you do that? Why is your natural inclination?
Force a habit.
Yeah.
He was doing mental reps
Yeah.
before.
If I was laying there
This is
and you were
healing
doing
for
this,
him.
I'd be punching it. Oh, that
Same
is
thing
some
with
kind of
the jump.
sore right there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Ow.
Don't worry, this won't hurt me a bit.
This side, this side's not bad at all. That other side was.
That's funny because it was your left side that was hurt, right?
And
It's always
now,
your
instead of
left.
punching across,
Well, he
you
was-
punch at it down.
Down.
Yeah.
Oh, that pops up.
Yeah, that side.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's there.
It's just gonna break all this stuff between your scapula, the rhomboids in here.
So if a massage is too dramatic,
Yeah.
what does that mean? Like, what do we need to do in preparation to?
Hey, it's Dr. Pete. All right, YouTube. Hopefully y'all enjoyed those videos. We had some good action from the patients. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again.